Good morning. It's Tuesday the 16th of August and this is your daily outlook. The US dollar came under pressure yesterday against the basket of currencies after weaker than expected economic data from the US Empire State Manufacturing Index in August revealed a drop to -7.7 from a previous -3.76. Further weighing on the greenback was a report from the Treasury International Capital, which showed that foreigners purchased the fewest long-term securities in more than 2 years. Versus the Swiss franc, the dollar took a tumble, trading as low as 0.7769 from 0.7997. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar is trading in a tight range of around 76.80. The euro dropped against the dollar today ahead of the Franco-German summit. Investors are focusing on whether the summit will result in further measures to help tackle the Eurozone debt crisis. German gross domestic product showed a 0.1% gain in the second quarter, lower than market expectations. Furthering pressuring the single currency, on Monday the euro got a boost on news that the European Central Bank spent 22 billion euros on government bonds, as well as gains in world equities. The pair dipped to 144.02 from a 3-week high at 144.76. Focus turns to President Nicolas Sarkozy's and German Chancellor Angela Merkel's news conference at 4 o'clock GMT. The British pound eased to 163.34 against the dollar from a 1-week high at 164.09, supported by a relatively firm risk appetite. Oil prices rose to $88.02 a barrel from $84.38. Gold edged higher to $1,769.40 an ounce from $1,732.39. Silver also ticked higher to $39.91 an ounce from $38.66. Now, let's move on to the currencies to watch out for. Pivot point 143.75 with preference to go long at 143.85. USD Japanese yen pivot point is 77.20 with preference to short at 77.15. Australian dollar USD pivot point 103.90 with preference to go long at 103.90. The cable pivot point is 163.25 with preference to go long at 163.35. USD CAD pivot point is 0.9850 with preference to short at 0.9850. Oil pivot point is 85 with preference to go long at $85. Gold is pivot point is 1,745 with a preference to go long at 1,745. Silver pivot point is 39.10 with preference to go long at 39.10. And today's calendar and market movers. UK retail price index in July is forecast to fall to 0.2%. UK consumer price index in July is forecast to fall to 0.1%. European gross domestic product in quarter 2 is forecast to gain 0.3%. US industrial production in July is forecast to gain 0.5%. And US housing starts in July is forecast to fall to 0.6 million. Now on to the equity markets. US equities were positive on Monday, with the S&P 500 trading up 2.18% and the Dow Jones up at 1.9%. European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE trading up at 0.57%, the DAX up at 0.41% and the CAC up 0.78%. The Nikkei and the Hang Seng at the time of writing are trading down at minus 0.04% and up 0.41% respectively. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm James from the Dealing Room. Have yourself a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.